Assalamu alaikum everyone. So in today's video we'll be learning how to make this flower. In the next video, if you want, so I can make this tutorial of this hairband, but for today I'm going to show you how to make this cute flower. So before we start, I want you to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And tell your closer relatives or like cousins, friends to subscribe me so I can gain traction. Okay? And guys, hope you have a nice life with your parents and with your friends, cousins. Please subscribe me. Please guys. So this flower is easy and simple to make. So let's start with blue and this pink yarn. So first we're going to take the pink yarn, okay? So first of all, we're going to make a magic circle like I'm going to show you. So first we're going to make a magic ring. I'll be back when I make the magic ring. And guys, if you want to learn how to make a magic ring, the tutorial of the magic ring is in my YouTube channel. If you want, so you can go and watch it. You can make it. It's simple and easy, step by step. So now we're going to chain one, okay? Yarn over, pull it through, yarn over. Now go insert the hook in the magic ring, then grab the piece, then take it. Now you should have 3 loops in your hook. Now yarn over, pull through 2, then again yarn over, pull through 2, repeat. Yarn over, go inside, grab it, take it, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, go inside, yarn over, pull through 2. Repeat it until the end. Guys, I'm done with 10 loops. Now, see, if you want to count your loops, you will just count your V's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Now this, the part that is in like taking this, you have to grab it and pull it through. Yes, now it's closed properly. Close it properly. Now make a slip stitch in the first one. Okay, as you can see, I'm done with my magic circle. Now we're going to like make a knot here, or if you don't want to make a knot, then just pull it and put it here. Now you're going to take your pink yarn, okay, and now you have to make a slip stitch with that. You have to make a slip stitch with that first. What am I saying? Like slip stitch? No, slip knot. Yeah, bro, I literally forgot how to crochet. It has been a while. So now insert this in it like that. First white, then pink, and now you're going to do something like take your pink. You see this white? Oh, what is wrong with it? You take this white and pull it through the pink one, okay? Or like that. Okay, and then you have to make 3 chains, okay? And now yarn over again, yarn over again. Insert your hook in the next loop. Insert, then yarn over, pull it through, and now you will be having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops, okay? Now yarn over, pull it through 2, first 2, then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Listen again. Yarn over, twice. No, maybe thrice. Yeah, go inside, yarn over, pull through. 1 2 3 4 5. Yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through, and yarn over, pull it through. Do this 4 times in it. So when you're done with 4 loops, like can you see 1 2 3 4, this is the chain. Now you're going to make 4 chains. 1 2 3 4. Now insert your hook in the same loop. You see this pink? With that, it should be up. Then make a slip stitch. Yes. And now see this part closely. The next stitch, insert your hook in the right next stitch, and if you can't see, just toward this a little. You can see the next stitch. Insert your hook in that and make a slip stitch. Yes. Now same to another. Yes. 2 slip stitches are done. Now you're going to make chain 4. Repeat this progress. 1 2 3 4. Now yarn over, yarn over, yarn over thrice. Insert into same loop. Now repeat until the end, like you're going to make 5. Guys, this is very important. When you're done with your full flower, like 1 2 3 4, now you're seeing what you will do here. You have to make 4 chains. 1 2 3 4. Make a slip stitch in the same. Okay, now here you see there is a loop left. You're going to make first a slip stitch there. Okay, now there is the twist. Make a slip stitch in this part, the first that you did the chain. Okay, see closely. This is the chain. In the first stitch you have to make the slip stitch. Okay, as you can see, we are done with our flower, but there's a twist. Now you're going to twist it. Now you have to cut the pink part. Okay, wait, actually your flower is done, but you just need to cut these extra pieces. Okay, you can cut them by yourself.